Did you know most monitors look washed out in sunlight, no matter how expensive they are? If you've struggled with glare or poor visibility outdoors, this video is your solution. Today we're diving into the 6 best 4K monitors for outdoor display. Welcome to the channel. All links are in the description. Grab your perfect outdoor screen with confidence. The number 6 product on our list is Intehill 4K Portable Monitor. Imagine a monitor so sharp it rivals desktop displays. Right in your backpack, the Intehill 4K Portable Monitor earns its place in the 6 best 4K monitors for outdoor display with its stunning 3840 by 2400 InnoView screen, delivering unmatched clarity, 500 nits brightness and anti-glare protection that works beautifully even in direct sunlight. For gamers and designers, the 10-point touchscreen is smooth, accurate and intuitive, making swipes, zooms and edits feel effortless. Its 16:10 golden ratio adds productivity, while built-in HDR and 100% sNGD make visuals pop with lifelike color. Dual USB-C, HDMI, and a premium aluminium body round out this portable powerhouse. It's perfect for creators, remote workers, or anyone needing pro-grade visuals on the move. An all-in-one monitor tested for real-world performance and comfort. Number 5 is the Neovo N1000 651 4K Portable Monitor. Imagine holding a true 4K OLED studio display that fits in your backpack. Neovo N1000 651 makes it real. This 15.6 portable monitor ranks easily among the 6 best 4K monitors for outdoor display, built for creators and professionals who need top-tier visuals anywhere. With 100% DCI-P3 color coverage, HDR True Black 400 and 10-bit color depth, it delivers stunning accuracy for editing, designing, or content previewing, lightweight at just 1.5 CADAPS and only 0.6 thin. It's perfect for travel, and the included stand adds convenience. While it's not a touchscreen and requires external power, its breathtaking OLED clarity more than compensates. If you want peace of mind on color precision and portability in one sleek package, this monitor is a smart buy for outdoor work and on-the-go performance. Number 4 is the InnoView 4K OLED Portable Monitor. What if I told you your next 4K OLED studio could fit in your backpack? The InnoView 4K OLED Portable Monitor is not just portable. It's jaw-droppingly vibrant, incredibly thin, just 0.15 inches, and feather light at 1.24 lifts. This beauty made our 6 best 4K monitor for outdoor display list for a reason. Its self-luminous OLED panel means no backlight, just pure pixel-level precision. The 100% DCI P3 color gamut and DE less than 2 calibration out of the box offer insane accuracy, perfect for creators, gamers, and digital nomads. With 1M response time, buttery smooth visuals are guaranteed even on the go. The foldable 180 DE stand is a thoughtful touch, and dual USB-C and HDMI ports make connecting hassle-free. While it may need extra power from some devices, its clarity, portability, and color depth make it an elite travel monitor. If you demand power, precision, and freedom, this is it. The third one on our list is MAGICRAVEN 4K Portable Monitor. Looking for a portable monitor that combines exceptional performance with sleek design, the MAGICRAVEN 4K Portable Monitor might just be what you need. Featuring a 16-inch 3840 by 2400 IPS display, it offers vibrant colors and sharp details, making it ideal for both work and play. Its lightweight design and slim profile make it easy to carry around, ensuring you can work or enjoy entertainment on the go. The monitor supports HDR, FreeSync, and low blue light technology, enhancing your viewing experience. With dual USB-C and HDMI ports, connectivity is seamless, allowing you to connect to various devices effortlessly. Whether you're a professional needing a reliable second screen or a gamer seeking a portable display, the MAGICRAVEN 4K Portable Monitor offers versatility and performance. On number 2 is UPERFECT 17.3-inch 4K Portable Monitor. Looking for a portable monitor that delivers exceptional performance without breaking the bank? The Upper 7.3.4K portable monitor might just be what you need. With its impressive 4K resolution and 100% Adobe RGB color gamut, it ensures vibrant and accurate visuals, making it ideal for creative professionals on the go. The 500 nits brightness and HDR support enhance your viewing experience even in well-lit environments. Its slim profile and lightweight design make it easy to carry, while the VESA compatibility offers flexible mounting options. However, some users have reported issues with brightness settings not saving between uses and the need for external power when using high brightness levels. Despite these minor drawbacks, the UPERFECT 17.3 4K portable monitor stands out as a solid choice for those seeking a high-quality portable display. Now moving to the last one is UPERFECT 18.4-inch 4K portable monitor. Imagine having a massive 18.4-inch 4K display that fits in your bag. The UPERFECT 18.4 portable monitor delivers just that, an ultra-crisp screen that transforms your mobile workspace. With 10-bit color depth and 500 nits brightness, it's a dream for designers, gamers, and multitaskers. Its dual USB-C and HDMI ports ensure seamless connectivity with laptops, consoles, and mobile devices. Weighing just 1.5 kg, it's surprisingly portable for its size. The 180 DJ adjustable kickstand and VESA compatibility offer flexible setup options. However, some users have reported issues with brightness settings, resetting upon reconnection, and subpar internal speakers. Despite these drawbacks, if you're seeking a large, high-quality portable monitor, the UPERFECT 18.4 is a compelling choice. Just ensure you have external speakers or headphones for optimal audio. So guys, this was the video about the 6 best 4K monitor for outdoor display. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.